opposition continues with its tour at the coast, President Uhuru Kenyatta is also crisscrossing the country with the same agenda to try and get people to register as voters during this mass voter registration exercise. Earlier on, the president was in Embu, but we understand he's currently in Kitui, and we'll definitely be bringing you more details on the same as the rush for numbers continues. Now, Wiper Democratic Movement leader Kalonzo Musyoka has today faulted President Uhuru Kenyatta for launching projects which he had claimed had already been launched by previous governments. The Wiper leader claimed that some of the equipment used are usually relocated immediately after the launch. He was addressing members of the public along Kitui-Mutumo-Kibwezi Road. He was on a mission to ask residents to register as voters in large numbers.
You cannot, as a president, come and launch something and then the following day the contractor carries away everything and says he'll come back when he's paid the money. I don't blame the president here. I blame his handlers. Wale handlers, CS wa roads and transport aliajda president wa Kenya. Na that is serious maneno. Angekuja hapa mwenyewe kwanza, kazi ikianza inakuwa continuous. Oyuma ile kweli ya pengine mange ubike kudha.